Hello everyone, in today's video we'll talk about why your ceiling fan light is flickering and how to fix it. Let's get started. Your ceiling fan light is flickering because of a loose or damaged bulb. A loose bulb disrupts the electrical flow into your bulb, causing it to flicker. To address the problem, follow these steps. Firstly, turn off the ceiling fan and let the bulbs cool down. Once cooled, twist the ceiling bulb to ensure it's firmly screwed in. When done, switch on the ceiling fan and check if the flickering continues. If it does, replace the bulb and check again. If the flickering still continues, you may have loose wiring. Loose wiring results in inconsistent electrical flow. To fix this, switch off the ceiling fan at the circuit breaker. Remove the ceiling fan and check the wires. Tug each of them to ensure they're well secured and tighten the loose ones. Reattach the ceiling fan after tightening the loose wires, then switch it on and check if the flickering continues. If the problem persists, there could be a problem with your dimmer switch. A dimmer rapidly cuts and restores power to your bulb, making it appear dimmer. A faulty switch could result in flickering. To fix this, switch off the ceiling fan at the breaker, then remove the old dimmer switch. Connect the wires to the new switch, ensuring they're tightly fit. Secure the new switch to the wall and restore power to your fan. Check if the flickering stops. Thank you for watching and see you next time.